What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I do have a product in front of me. The kind people over at Dzees, or however you want to say it, is Dzees. They were kind enough to send me out one of their outdoor 1080p cameras, so we're just gonna unbox this and check it out. This is what the box looks like. Get a QR code. There's an app that you can download. So let me just open this up real quick. Alrighty, let's open that up. This is over on Amazon. You can go pick this up on Amazon if you are interested in getting this for yourself. But anyways, this is your camera here. It's nice. It has some weight to it, but this is your camera right here. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. So this is what the camera is looking like so far. Sit that right there. Then you get your mount. So you would screw this in here or up here, however you would like to mount it outside. This will just be an unboxing. I'll come back and show you how it works a little later, but that is what you get in the box. You would go to the app store like it tells you to, and you would download this, or you can scan the QR code if that's something that you want to do. But pretty much this is what the product looks like on Amazon. Let me turn that brightness down some. This is what the product looks like. This pretty much is a security camera, wireless outdoor spotlight camera with 1080p. It has it's battery powered Wi-Fi cameras for home security. It has AI motion detection, color night vision, two-way talk. It's waterproof. You can save your videos to the cloud, or you can insert a SD card into this device. This camera will currently run you $46 and some change, plus tax. So they were kind enough to send me out one. This is a picture of how you could mount the camera outside. You can mount it that way if you want to. Like I said, it's waterproof. It should be if it's going to be, outside. And then you can go into your app store and download the app. So when you get everything plugged up, you can use this app with your camera. So let's type it in real quick. And it's this one right here. This is what the app looks like. Just want to hit install. So we're going to install that real quick. So let's let that install. You do get some other kind of screws for, other things. And then you get USB to USB-C. Like I said, this does feel nice. It has some nice weight to it. And for it to be 1080p, that's not bad at all. It's pretty good. This is where your ports are at the bottom here, if you can see that. You see? This is where you would plug it in, because this, like it says, it has battery, so it's rechargeable, so you can charge it up anytime you want. You have your SD card slot right there, and you just close this back up so your ports do not get nasty. And this is what the camera looks like front. Like I said, you could connect this here if you want to. I'm not going to put it together because I'm going to come back and show you some more things with this camera a little later. I just wanted to unbox this and install the app real quick so you can see what the app looks like. So now all we would need to do is hit agree, and then this is what the app looks like when you're in it. Live stream. It says intelligent notifications. And then if you have your camera set up already, you would go in here and get set up. You want to get signed up, make an account so you can get signed in. But like I said, I'm not going to do that right now at this moment. I just wanted to unbox it and show you that I do have this outdoor camera. Okay, so now what you are seeing is me recording, showing you what the camera quality looks like on the camera. It's supposed to be showing in 1080p. That's not bad. This is a nice little camera setup. I'm just showing you that it's up on the deck up there, and this is the quality. As you can see me. There is a little glare from the sun. I may have to do some more refiguring to see the better angle to get with this camera, but I just wanted to show you what this camera would look like if you had it set up for yourself. Like I said, I'll have to do some more tinkering with it so we can get better views and better angles. And like I said, the sun glare, it's blocking the view of the car, but pretty much I can still see the backyard. I can see people driving on the highway, and pretty much that is all that I really need to see, if someone is in my backyard, or, doing things in the backyard that they shouldn't be doing, or messing with different items that they shouldn't be messing with. But I do recommend you go pick this camera up for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.